So tell me, how did you hear about our office?
Actually from a friend in a New Jersey group.
Awesome. And what originally brought you into core wellness?
I've had back pain, honestly, on and off for about 30 years. And it comes and goes, but it was one of the comes. And it knocked me out for like a couple days. I couldn't even get out of bed. So I basically limped in here. And I'm glad I did.
So are we. So tell me, what has improved since starting your care at Core Wellness?
Well, I don't limp in here anymore. I can walk fine, run. I can honestly do everything I was doing a month before I tweaked it. I'm back to exercising, can play with the kids, pick the kids up. I'm more flexible than I've ever been. That's the difference between going to who I used to go to and coming here.
And how has that, as a father of two, how has that impacted your quality of life?
The kids love it. The kids love it.
And let's see, what are some of the goals that you've achieved since you started care at Core Wellness?
I think the number one was just getting back and working a normal day. I have a physical job, so it's good to get back and not have any pain and get back to working out. And
what do you like best about our office?
You guys, definitely. They come in here and it's like hanging out with friends. Dr. Joe's awesome and always is looking to find out if anything's hurting, where it's hurting, take care of it, and work on it while you're not in the office.
We love our patients. We thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.
You too.